All eyes are on July 9th. That's the headline as a high-stakes aviation security meeting is set to take place in New Delhi, following one of the deadliest air crashes in India in recent memory, and lawmakers are pressing for answers. A parliamentary panel will convene on July 9 to review safety standards in India's civil aviation sector. On the agenda is the passenger safety, regulatory oversight, and yes, the Air India tragedy that left over 200 dead after the flight crashed just seconds after takeoff from Ahmedabad. Though the meeting memo does not explicitly name the crash, panel member R.K. Chaudhary confirmed to the media that the incident will be discussed in detail. Top airlines, airport operators, air traffic control, and top government officials are all expected to face the committee. Let's talk about the key findings in the crash so far. A small device barely noticed on most flights may now be the key to understanding why a Dreamliner fell from the sky just 32 seconds after the takeoff. It's called the Ram Air Turbine or RAT, a small propeller-like device that activates only in extreme emergency. And on June 12, it was visibly active on Air India Boeing 787 as it crashed near Ahmedabad. In aviation terms, a RAT deployment usually means one thing: complete failure. The high-pitched whine of the RAT captured in chilling viral videos suggests a total loss of engine or hydraulic power. Veteran pilot Ehsan Khalid told ANI that the pilot issued a mayday call, something that only happens when a serious failure is confirmed in the cockpit. Here could have been multiple failures. Until we have the black box data, we just don't know, he told ANI. Adding his voice to the chorus is Captain Steve Shibner, a former US Navy Top Gun pilot. Captain Shibner believes the crash was likely caused by a dual engine failure and that a malfunctioning RAT could hold the answer. So what brought down a well-maintained Dreamliner in just half a minute? The answers lie in the black box and the investigators are already combing through it. Now Indian authorities along with the US NTSB are analyzing every second of cockpit audio and flight parameters. The preliminary report on the black box revelations are due on July 11, while the full investigation is expected by September.